Designing repetitive circuits can be time-consuming and error-prone. Imagine being able to create dozens of schematic designs with a simple click. Hello everyone, I'm Shrigandha and I'm here to introduce you to my favorite feature in SOLIDWORKS Electrical Excel Automation. The Excel Automation feature makes schematic creation faster, smarter, and quicker by reading the data directly from an Excel file. SOLIDWORKS Electrical automatically builds you designs, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and consistency every single time.
The first step is to create the macros you want to reuse. By a simple select and drag, we can create the macros with custom names. These macros can be opened as individual files and be placed with the insertion point and a set of variables such as reference number and manufacturer name enclosed with percentages. These changes define and control the variations in each circuit to be automatically generated each time. The next step is to create and save the XLS file template. The template file includes several columns where you can enter all the required data. And the best part is you can modify it anytime to match your project's unique needs. In this template, we've filled in key details like macro name, its position, file name, and the book name. We've also added variables like mark, reference, and manufacturer name for each component along with custom manufacturer to bring every circuit to life automatically. The last step is to import the XLS file using Excel Automation. Once generated, the file automatically creates the 3 circuits defined in the Excel sheet. You can now see all component details clearly along with the custom component data added to the Excel file, and it is instantly reflected in the schematics. We can easily replicate circuits right from Excel, just change the file number and assign a new document number. SOLIDWORKS Electrical will automatically create a new document book, add a fresh page, and place the new circuit in the exact position you specified in the document as shown.
Well, I'm sure that was fun to learn. Excel Automation streamlined the workflow and ensured precision in every circuit you produce. So, dive into SOLIDWORKS Electrical and experience a workflow where design is efficient and completely reliable. Now, go ahead, let the automation do the heavy lifting so that you can focus on designing the future.